Welcome to Progress. This is Introduction to C Programming Part 1. In this tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through what is C, why you should choose C as your beginning programming level, and what are some of the features of C that you might be interested in. Now, C programming was introduced in 1973 by Dennis Ritchie at Bell Telephone Laboratories, and that's the history. And C programming is a cross-platform programming language. That means you can program in Microsoft architecture, you can run the same program in Linux architecture, and the results on the Microsoft and on the Linux platform will be exactly the same. That means you can run program written in any platform to any other platform. And C programming is compiled language. That means you must need a compiler to run your C program. If you have just coded a C program in a text editor, then you can't run that directly. You should first compile it, and then you get the executable file, and then you run that compile program. Now that compiler is the main benefit of using C programming language for most higher level peoples like scientists and many other things we use as some programming languages for research. Now, C programming compiler was designed in such a way that it is very straightforward, and it is very efficient, and it is less time consuming than the other compilers used today. Now, the major factor that it is so robust is maybe that C programming was a little bit higher than assembly language, and it could have some close interaction to machine level language than these days higher level language. And the machine level language, it needs time. So C programming was higher level language from the older days and low level language from these days. People in these days have got tons and tons of programming language that are very complex, that only target what the user needs, not how they should code. Now, C programming language has got some speed due to its compilation time. It has got stability because we can run anything on any platform which was designed in another platform. It has got near universal availability because of its cross-platform availability. Then that's the most in this part. I hope you'll follow me on the next tutorial. Thank you guys.